Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber&U team, and today we are going to cover how to first download and then install the Google Chrome web browser. So let's get started. The way to do that is by either clicking on your Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, whatever you're using at that time, and then you are going to type in this URL, which I'm also going to have at the bottom of the video, but it is www.google.com/Chrome/. And as soon as you're at that website, you're going to be greeted with this nice little page. All you're going to do is click on Download Chrome, and then you can either keep the checkbox or uncheck it. This is just to help Google understand any problems that occur while you're using their browser. So we're just going to keep that there and then accept and install. And you're going to see a little pop-up at the bottom here. For this instance, we are going to save that. And then you're going to hit open folder so you know exactly where it saved it to. And then you're going to double click on the Chrome setup. And since we're using Windows, it's going to ask you if you would like to run this application. And of course we do, because we just downloaded it for this very purpose. As soon as that happens, it's going to begin downloading the Chrome web browser once more, and depending on how fast your internet is, it can take a little bit of time. As soon as it finishes downloading, it'll say complete, and then it'll actually begin the installation of the web browser. And once that is complete, it's going to open up the actual Chrome web browser just to welcome you. It's a nice little thing. And then we're going to actually close out of it. Close out of that as well. Close all of these windows. And then you should see the Google Chrome on your desktop as well. Well, today we went over how to first download and then install Google Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again.